the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on inverse finance. So I actually remember this coin also launching on Coinbase. I think Coinbase is one of the first places, if not one of the top 5 places that you could buy inverse finance when it was super new. And I remember this coin being actually very expensive, and it fell all the way down to $20. Man, I mean, if only I had known it was going to go up, but I mean, everything's going up right now. So anyway, I'm making this for a gentleman that asked for it in the comment section. So here's basically my analysis and my thoughts on this coin. Market cap, it's 30 million. Circulation supply is only 507,000. Total supply is 555,000, and there's no max supply. So I don't know if they can mint coins or not. Usually that's what that means, or it means that everything's already, the total supply, we should take it off the total supply, because for example, one coin that I'm in, then I know it doesn't have a max supply, but I know that it's in deflationary, is OXT, where it doesn't have this. It has a total supply of 1 billion, and almost all of it is in circulation. So it kind of looks like this. As long as they don't release any coins, theoretically, it should be fine. But it looks like everything, let me see. Yeah, so it looks like they just released coins. As you can see, the market cap is 40 million. And relative to where it was before when they released coins, which was in March 2022. So if you take March 2022 and compare it to the price right now, it is significantly less. But that's a good thing, because look, like they almost fully diluted it, and it's not even anywhere near the all-time lows. So that's a good sign. That's actually really good. So just keep that in mind. That's not bearish. That's actually very bullish when this number gets as close as this number as possible, which is basically almost there. What is that, like 10 more percent? So I'm not too worried about it. Anyway, let's get into the technical analysis of this coin. So I'm going to change this to log, and I'm going to just draw my FIP from the high to the low. I'm also going to look at the RSI indicators just to see if it's overbought, which obviously it was. We got a correction. We got a correction. But again, keep it in mind that when we're in a bull market, it doesn't matter, because the RSI likes to hang out over here while this makes higher highs. So keep that in mind. And then the same thing goes for when we're in a bear market, right? So when the RSI is oversold, the price is here, right? And then when it's oversold, the price is going to be a lower, so it's a lower low, right? Same here, over here you're still, I think that's still lower, here, lower, here, lower, and this is where it bottomed out. So, or I guess double bottomed, you can say, or triple bottomed, and then you started going up from there. But again, keep that in mind. So that doesn't necessarily, like, just because it's oversold doesn't mean there's going to be a retracement. A lot of times there is, but like for example, this was only a 25 only. This was a 25% retracement. I think we're sitting on another 25% retracement right now. No, this is bigger, so it's 36%. It's fine, but again, we're in a bull market, so keep that in mind. This year is going to be great, so it doesn't matter. We're only in March, so there's plenty of room for growth and for a move up. So as you can see, we smacked into 67.55. We got rejected. So in order to be bullish long term, from the high to the low, you want to get over the 236 at $67.55. Now, as far as levels that it needs to hold, and areas that you're, if you're dollar cost averaging down or whatever, theoretically, if you didn't catch this, which would have been great if you had bought when it was oversold, on the way down, because you would dollar cost average down, you wouldn't just ape in. But if you are still dollar cost averaging while it's going up, then based on what I see, it needs to hold. Why is this like? It's just glitching out on me. Take it from here to here. The next area of support is $56.05. So that is that is an area of support. So with this coming down, even extending for a couple weeks and then tagging it, you can get some sort of bounce. The RSI is probably going to get neutral at that point, and the stock RSI is probably going to reset. I want to say that if it does break lower, it needs to hold the 5, because again, that's another area of support at $47.75. So on the upside, we need to get over 67, 68. On the downside, what I'm seeing is we need to hold 56. If 56 doesn't hold, then we're probably going to move back down to 47, which from the 382 to the 5 is another 15% drop. So this is a pretty big drop, but keep in mind that if we're going that low, then most likely Bitcoin's going to go that low, or Bitcoin's going to be breaking down. That's just what I'm seeing over here. It also looks like there's a bull flag, like a huge bull flag forming, where it's like you're going to get something like this, and then a move up to, this is also like possible where you're going to get a move up. So like this is going to hit, it's going to move up, and the target would be 130, which is around a 120% from the current price. This is also possible, but again, playing it very conservatively, which is what I always do, is 67 and then 67, 68, and then on the downside it was 50. Let's see. It was $56, $57. So we're kind of there. With that tagging, then again, we are going to be around $48. That's just what I see. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. And if you like my content, please subscribe and like. And none of this is financial advice. And catch you guys in the next video.